We're at the Jack's Wax Show. Look at this Super B. This is tough. Ah, Super B, tough. Four barrels. It's about tough. Gotta get to see this in person up close. Steering wheel in the back. I'll hold it. Got the Ruchis. Had to cross over there, my man. Oh Lord, I done tripped. Oh my goodness. Tripped over that there. No LS swap. Stock. That's hard. That's a bit nasty.
Take care, guys. Good to see you again.
Bel Air. LT. Oh. Yeah, I see. Putting down flyers in there. You already know. This one. Oh. Alright, this one for sale, y'all. 49 Chevy 3100. Heard the number. Y'all can pause it, screenshot it. I'll show you the outside of this. Y'all want to read about it? Read about it. 60,000. Tub 350 modified, vintage, sun visor, flow mask, exhaust new, disc brakes front, drum brakes rear, power windows, mileage 22,951. Let's go ahead and go around this real quick. That's a beaut. That's a beaut. I'm still a big fan of chrome. I know a lot of people don't like chrome. I am a huge fan of chrome. I like the shiny stuff. Shiny stuff grabs your attention. The back wheels, you know, it's just tough. Absolutely back up. Like I said, man, we're here for the Jack's Wax Car Show. This mug is low. Oh, check this out, y'all. This is crazy. Look how low this is. I can't even put a fence through there. That is nice. This is tough. That's hard. Jack's Wax. Man, y'all imagine y'all from St. Louis going in the city of St. Louis driving this with them potholes. The potholes will rip your whole front end off. That's hard though. Jeez. My goodness. And this is the truck, y'all. Sheesh. Sheesh. I know I got some truck fans on my page. This is built. That's beautiful. Right, look at the train horns in the back, y'all see it. Everything touched. Dang, they got all kind of horns on this mug. It's crazy. Got the step on. Golly. I know that sound good. Green audio speakers. That's the truck, y'all. Oh, show no go. This is hard. Oh, look at the front. I got a cross back. I learned my lesson. I'm stepping under that thing. About took me out earlier, y'all. Would have had been an urgent care on this beautiful Saturday. Nah, I'm just playing going to urgent care. Get up, limp, walk it off. Y'all know how real men do it. But I'm still going under. Y'all can follow him right there. I mean, this is tall. I like this. Y'all know I love big trucks. That's nice. That's real nice. This Camaro. This one is holy. How you doing? Beautiful Camaro. Welcome. Excuse me.
And it probably lived another 5 or 6 years over
This
there.
is beautiful. St. Louis Blues trophy. Rose Street. This is hard. Y'all like this? Leave a comment. This is hard. The seats. Got the blue stitching. Look at the middle there. Shifter. It's hard. Got the Eldorado. Haha. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. This one nasty. Look at this orange. And I'm glad we seen some new vehicles that's new to the videos. I know this is my, I want to say 6th or 7th show. I want to say 6. So it's really nice to see some newer vehicles that you guys haven't seen yet on my channel, because I know a lot of these y'all gonna see a lot of, because I'm in St. Louis and a lot of shows people go to each one of them, so you probably see a lot of them. Appreciate it if you guys real quick and hit that like button for your boy, man. How you doing? Got a lot of stuff coming up. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Yeah, so. Subaru nasty. That wrap is nasty on that bad boy. Show y'all some more of this. It's beautiful. Corvette Z06. You put him in all the rest of them? Thank you, thank you. Dyno. 800, 736 torque. It's moving. Solstice. Look at this Solstice. This is in Transformers. Not. push pause on that. The story of it looked like they had a fire in the garage. Get y'all a good view. In case you want to hit pause on it so y'all can read it. That's nice. This Hertz old. True classic. Hello. There's a bad boy there. Bad boy. We just seen him at like 5 straight shows. It's nasty. I love Bel Airs. Go to a nice drive-in movie theater with one of those. Look at this bad boy. Nasty. Man, that's nasty. See that, Lexus?
It's like a
Got
centerpiece
that.
now, you know. Yeah. It's great. Yeah, I like all the body, everything. It's good on it.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Make sure you come out to that show June 10th.
Okay,
We need you over there for real.
Hey man,
It's
I'm about to get
boy.
my whole trunk reworked.
Oh, really?
So yeah, how my floor mats on, I'm about to get all that. I'm about to get some speakers put in here. And,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
It's
So
my hoe.
it's gonna look completely different.
It's my
Not
hoe.
by June the 10th, because I gotta wait till I go on vacation.
Gotcha.
Like a week or so after that, get it reworked.
Okay. Yeah, we got another show June 27th in Wellston Loop, too.
Okay, gotcha.
So, yeah.
Okay.
That's nice, though, man.
All right, appreciate
Real
it.
nice. Yes, sir. Nice Z06. Oh,
Oh, I gotta go. Why are you so pale?
Z06, y'all. There it is. The new Z06. There it is, the LT6. There it is. First one I've seen in St. Louis. Y'all see it got that flyer. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Okay, this is it, y'all. Total vehicle price was like that, $162,000. 2023 Corvette Z06 convertible. Yeah. There she is. There it is. What y'all think? That's a new one. Z06. Yep. Hard. There goes Slingshot.
Just got here. Calm down. Okay.
I had a shop upset with me last year because I walked away from it. But I was like, man, it's gonna be cold. I don't want it. Rodriguez. It's about the 5th show y'all done seen this car. These two. But we can't ever get enough of them. Because somebody might not have looked at this video. There y'all go. Look at that. I'm gonna move kind of fast over here because of copyright, y'all already know. Ferrari Roy.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Just that little bit, so we got somebody else double check it. The options, just to make sure. Test this down, make sure
Get your products.
there was 4 of us. So we just, it was being had for a while, and then we Justin and John for a little bit. Just kind of coming together at the end. No, just each one in 2 groups, kind of thing. We go through them, and if there's something that
Wow, so I use one of these.
I think we sold 3 of those today.
All right, y'all. We're wrapping up this video. Come look at this 70th anniversary Corvette.
Make sure you go over and get some express turkey legs over there.
All right, y'all. Appreciate you tapping into this video. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification because we're going for 30 car shows this year. That's right, 30. And guess what? I still don't have one to bring. But hey, that don't mean nothing. We still gonna get it. All right, y'all. Be blessed. See y'all in the next one.